Hi everyone, I'm Pierrette and this is my kitchen, and today we are making hollandaise sauce to top the eggs that we made in the last video. So I'm going to start with some butter. I would say this is about 4 tablespoons of butter. If you take 2 sticks, you'd have 2 half-inch chunks. So about an inch of butter. Ooh, that got really hot. We don't want it quite that hot. So I'm just going to pull it off and let it melt. All right, that's melting really, really fast. So we can actually pull that completely off the flame right now. See how quickly that melted? Maybe a little too hot before we started, but that's okay. It's not the worst thing that happened, right? So we are going to need 2 egg yolks. So I'm just going to separate out my eggs, drop the yolk. And half a lemon. Depending on the size of your lemons, this one's off my tree and they're pretty massive. So I'm going to use a half a lemon on this. And I like to mix my yolks with my lemon before I start. So I'm just going to squeeze out this juice, and I'm catching the seeds in my hand as I go. Pretty quick and easy. And we squeeze the heck out of that lemon. I rotate it as I'm squeezing it to get as much juice out as possible. And I have a couple of lemons here. I'm just going to throw these out and rinse my hands.